When writing lowercase letter in cursive style, always start on the bottom line. To write Q, go up, stop, then come back down and round, stop, then go all the way down, then back up to the right until you reach the bottom line. Let's see how this looks in a word. Queen is written like this. Equal is written like this. Capital letters always start at the top. To write capital Q, draw an oval shape that sits on the bottom line. Then add a short line to cross at the bottom. The word Queen with a capital Q is written like this. Capital letters never join with the rest of the word.